Hello everyone, my name is Prakash Methani and in this section of Bootstrap tutorial, I'm going to talk about how you can style your heading and a body tag in a Bootstrap. So there are few predefined classes Bootstrap had included in a Bootstrap so that you can use in your text section or a heading section to directly include heading or some formatting classes in a Bootstrap. So what are these classes? I'm going to talk about that. So in this my code section, if you can see that there is a h1 to h6 tag I've included, and after that there is a paragraph tag I've included there, and this is how the things look like in my browser. But sometime what we need that after this heading class, what I want that I want to put a simple text over there, or we can say that I need to include some small text over here. So if I've already created a span tag here, I've just make it comment. So if I save this and I go to here in a browser section, so you can see that the secondary text that is coming same as the h1 tag. So there is a class, we can say that a small class over there. So rather than using small, I can use here directly a small tag, and see what happened after that. So now you can see that my text has been smaller than the h1 tag now because I've included a small class here. So it's make the text smaller and a little bit fade about in a color also. So this is how you can include a small class. You can include it anywhere in the code, whether you want to include it here or you can directly include here. So let's suppose I include small class here, and we'll see that how it's work here. Right. So now if you can see that this is the text where I've included a small class, so it's now smaller than the normal text what I have here. So how the small class work, this is you can see here, and there is one more class also. So right now there is a heading class. If I see there is a heading tag I've included in a h1 tag. So what if I do not include h1 tag, or I can use that class inside a div? So you can see that there is my div class and I have included class h1 there. We'll see that how it's work there. It's work same as the h1 tag. So let's suppose I do not want to include a h1 tag over there. Specifically, I have a div, I want to include a h1 tag, h1 class there, and it will make my heading h1. You can make it either h2, h3, h4. It will adjust according to that, right? So this is how you can work, and you can also include your h1 tag to any text itself. So let's suppose that I goes here, I have created a span class, and inside that I have made a when text as a h1 tag. So if you can see there, it is looking like a heading tag. You can make it h3 also. So this is how it's work. And after that there is a class, you can say that a lead class over there. So if I include a class here in a p tag and I make it a lead class, you can see that the text styling has been changed and the font size has been increased, and it's look a stand out in your entire page. So let's suppose that you want to make some text or some paragraph stand out in the entire page. You can include a lead class over there and can make it like that, right? So these are some few basic classes you can include. There is a small class, lead class, h1 tag you can include in a span or div or anywhere in the code you want to include. So this is some few classes you can include in a Bootstrap project and can enjoy working with a Bootstrap. Thank you so much.